You stay positive. You always believe that everything is going to work out. How do you do it?
If you love sketch animations, then you're definitely going to love this plugin. Or you can call it a script. Alright, so let's see what I made just using this script in Adobe After Effects.
Once upon a time was a gentleman who found love not to be disturbing, but fascinating. Not annoying, but interesting. And right after, he lived happily ever after.
Alright guys, if you want the videos which I used for this tutorial, you can check out the website called Pexas. Pexas is a free stock videos website. It gives out free content, free videos, alright, without copyright. You can use them anywhere you want. You can get as many as you want without limit, without ads, without what. Definitely working for the government. Alright, so check them out and feel free to get all the videos you need and do some nice content. Alright, so let's get into the video. So for this effect we did, as I told you, we use SketchMe. SketchMe is a plugin we used for this effect, and it really came out well. So it's going to be a quick one. I'm not going to take long with it because I just made a few adjustments and it really came out well. All right. So this is what you do. Let's create a new composition. All right. So we can get a video, for example. We can have this video. Let me add in this one. All right. So we can have this video. All right. And with this video, you come over here to effects and presets. You type in sketch me. It's already here. All right. So you select your layer, drop it onto your layer. Boom. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Perfect already. Perfect already. All right. So sometimes it's not going to give you very clear outlines. So you come here in the settings and you can adjust accordingly to get some nice outlines. All right. And the other thing you can do as well is to add in the brightness and contrast. I'll show you how that works. When you put in, you come here in effects and presets, put in the brightness and contrast. What you have to do is to move it to the top. It doesn't have to come after the sketch me effect, all right? It has to come before, such that it makes sense, all right? So you check this legacy and then you increase the contrast. You increase the contrast. All right. Then the contrast is increased around 50. Then you increase the brightness. You increase the brightness and boom. Are you guys seeing how it's coming out? All the details are literally flourishing out. Yeah. Something like that. Something like that, which looks amazing. All right. So So you do that for the different videos, put them together, and you will have something amazing. All right, you'll have something amazing, definitely. All right, guys, that was it for today. And if you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And until next time, stay safe. Once again, guys, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, kindly like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.